everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to do another review. Yay! So the review is about Pixel Watch because last time I saw a lot of people view my review video, so I thought to make another review video here while I got my Pixel Watch. So without further ado, let's get started! So basically, the first time I got this, I knew it from Google. They have their own store, and that's why I took a look. I waited for so long to get this Pixel Watch. So they said they would release around October, early October. So here it is. So let's see here. This is the website. So basically, the feature comes with 6 months of Fitbit Premium included and 3 months of YouTube Music Premium. And then the first smartwatch to deliver the best of Google and Fitbit. So Fitbit work together with Google in this case. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they have many bands, but I know like the band is a little bit expensive if I buy it directly from Google Store. So I will buy from third party. I think it's best. Okay, for GLT. Wear OS. Wear OS is basically new OS featured by Google. So they have feature like Google Maps, Wellness, Google Home. So it's similar with Apple OS with their Apple Watch. Yep, I guess like that. Okay, yeah, I need Google Wallet. So basically, you can tap your smartwatch to pay if they have like tap feature in the store. Google Assistant, Gmail is just basic feature. Okay, track nightly sleep stages. Yeah, I need that. I think Fitbit. I used Fitbit before, and it was so cool. Like they have a lot of features that I can use. Yeah. Find your watch. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, work with Spotify and everything here. I don't know what is this. So they have two options. So actually, I would like to get the first option with 4G LTE, but since my phone plan is not I don't know, it's not postpaid, so mine is prepaid. So basically, it's not contract. So I cannot use 4G LTE in my watch. So basically, with the 4G LTE, you don't have to bring your phone whenever you go jogging. You go everywhere. You don't need to bring your phone, and you just basically connect everything with your watch directly. You don't need to bring phone everywhere because they have signal out there as long as in the US. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot get that one. Although, like the difference of the cost is $50. So you see here is 4G LTE with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. They have like they come from like about $400. While that's sad. Like they have discount now. So I bought it in this price, $350, about $350. So I round it. Right now they have like $300 right now. Yeah. So basically like that. It's not so different the price. Yeah. I cannot use it, so I just rely on my phone still whenever I go outside. So here is the box that I got. Yep, my color is gray. Oh, and the rose, you see the gold rose. Yep, see here, made in Vietnam. Fitbit, powered by Fitbit. Okay, so let's open it. Ooh, that's really nice. See here the detail. Yeah, here's I got the charger. So the charger using CUSB with the with this thing, the circle thing for the watch, and then the backup of the strap. So I don't need to buy another strap if I don't want another color. So here's what the setup look like. So I will connect my Pixel watch with my Google Pixel phone. So basically I use both Google, so it's easier to do setup thing. I already turned on my Bluetooth. So let's get started. Try to connect. Okay. Confirm. Send you notification. Allow. Yep. More. I agree for now. Connecting to your watch. This could take about a minute, just like as usual. Oh, I love the design. Checking for Google account. This may take a moment. So I actually skip some part. So because there was some my Google account related to, so I need to skip that part. So just go directly signing in, checking for Google account. I accept. Welcome to your new Google Pixel Watch. Yay! Stay connected to your body and your world. Next, put on your watch. So I need to put on my watch then. So they said I need to put on this watch on my wrist, but you see there is a loose. So usually I use my watch really close to my palm like this, but I cannot, so I need to push a little bit. See here, I actually already set up some part, the one that need to connect with another app, something like that. And I forgot that I deleted accidentally. Oh my god, the video, I mean, I already recorded some part. So, yeah, never mind, just let's get directly to the watch itself. See here, let's learn about tiles. Tiles are accessed from the watch face and show helpful info from your apps. Swipe left or right to cycle through your tiles. See? Oh, I know. Cannot connect. Keep swiping for more tiles. Okay, now let's learn about two buttons. Press the crown to go back to the watch face. You can return to the watch face anytime. Okay. Press the crown for apps. Ooh. You can get to all of your apps from here. Press the side button to see your recently used app. To access pay, double press the crown. Double press the crown. Oh, this is the Google Pay. Screen lock is required to use Google Pay. Okay. Okay, let's go back first. Okay. Oh, so you can set up home address, set up work address. Basically, this is like Google Maps in the watch. Loading weather. that is the calendar reminder. Fitbit today. Log into the Fitbit mobile app to see your sleep trends, exercise, heart rate, steps. System update. Downloading system update available. So that's why my phone, not my phone. Sorry, my watch is getting hot here. Okay, this is notification. It's really neat. It's easy to access. Turn off touch screen. Turn on touch lock. Ooh, flashlight, baby. Flashlight. This is the payment. This is the airplane mode. What is this? Phone ringing. I don't know. What is this? Oh, brightness. Got it. Oh, the battery and then the setting. Disturb mode, night mode. What is this? Theater mode, turns off screen and screen wake gestures, silence. Hmm. And here it is, it comes to pros and cons. So for the pros itself, of course, the design is really neat. I love how the UI is really nice, the UI. And then like eSIM support. eSIM support is basically like the one that I told you before. You can put 4G LTE in your smartwatch, but in my watch I didn't buy that feature, so due to my phone carrier doesn't have that. And next, the pros is fast charging support. Fitbit integration. Because I love Fitbit app provides a lot of good features for us to increase our health, to support our workouts, something like that. For the cons itself, I think it's battery life. Like you need to charge it like less than 24 hours. Like, oh my god, like the battery will run out in less than 24 hours. It's really pathetic. I think for the price, yeah, it's I don't say it's pricey. I think it's fine because like they provide many features. Also the Fitbit integration. Yeah, I don't think like many people say overpriced, but I think it's not. It's really fair for me. It's fair. Yeah. Next, I need use two apps for the for this Pixel Watch, and it's I don't say like it's bad, but I don't like to have too many apps on my phone, so that's why I just want to use one app, maybe Fitbit or maybe Google Pixel Watch app. That's it. So I don't want to use too many apps, but I need to use two apps basically in here. One is Google Pixel Watch app and another one is Fitbit. Fitbit for the health and Google Pixel Watch is to personalize my watch. Yeah, I think that's it for the pros and cons. So guys, just want to give you an update after 2 weeks using Pixel Watch. So the Pixel Watch got an issue because that doesn't recognize my pattern. So I use pattern instead of pin for the security system to unlock the Pixel Watch. So I actually doesn't want to use any kind of security thing on my Pixel Watch since it's hard to type it out or maybe just using the pattern. So basically like that, I cannot use it right now. So I need to contact the customer service. Hopefully they are helpful. I understand it's still first generation, so I know that will be a trouble. That's it. Yeah, that's it for today's review about Google Pixel Watch. Hope you enjoy my second review video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.